Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. We celebrate Christmas with our family every year. Santa Claus, Santa Claus, Santa Claus. The children were excited to see Santa Claus at the mall. Reindeer, reindeer, reindeer. Rudolph is the most famous reindeer of all. Sleigh, sleigh, sleigh. Santa travels in a sleigh pulled by reindeer. Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree. We decorated the Christmas tree with lights and ornaments. Ornaments, ornaments, ornaments. The ornaments on the tree were shiny and colorful. Star, star, star. We placed a star on top of the Christmas tree. Lights, lights, lights. The Christmas lights made the house look magical. Stocking, stocking, stocking. The children hung stockings by the fireplace for Santa. Gift, gift, gift. I received many gifts from my friends on Christmas Eve. Candy cane, candy cane, candy cane. The kids enjoyed sucking on candy canes during the holiday. Wreath, wreath, wreath. The wreath on the door was decorated with red ribbons. Mistletoe, mistletoe, mistletoe. Traditionally, people kiss under the mistletoe during Christmas. Carol, carol, carol. We sang Christmas carols around the neighborhood. Snowman, snowman, snowman. The children built a snowman in the front yard. Snowflake, snowflake, snowflake. The snowflakes were falling gently from the sky. Fireplace, fireplace, fireplace. We gathered around the fireplace to keep warm. Eggnog, eggnog, eggnog. He made a delicious eggnog for the Christmas party. Chimney, chimney, chimney. Santa is said to come down the chimney to deliver presents. Bell, bell, bell. The sound of jingle bells filled the air. Feast, feast, feast. We prepared a grand feast for Christmas dinner. Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve. The family attended church together on Christmas Eve. Nativity, nativity, nativity. The school performed a nativity play for the holiday season. Gingerbread, gingerbread, gingerbread. We baked gingerbread cookies in the shape of little men. Holiday, holiday, holiday. Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year. Holly, holly, holly. Holly leaves and berries are often used for Christmas decorations. Garland, garland, garland. She hung a garland of flowers around the fireplace. Elf, elf, elf. Santa's elves work hard to make toys for children. North Pole, North Pole, North Pole. Santa Claus is said to live at the North Pole. Gingerbread house, gingerbread house, gingerbread house. The kids enjoyed decorating the gingerbread house with icing and candies. Christmas card, Christmas card, Christmas card. She sent out Christmas cards to all her friends and family. Ice skating, ice skating, ice skating. We went ice skating at the rink on Christmas Eve. Christmas pudding, Christmas pudding, Christmas pudding. We had Christmas pudding for dessert after dinner. Yule log, Yule log, Yule log. The Yule log cake was beautifully decorated with chocolate and cream. Midnight Mass, Midnight Mass, Midnight Mass. The family attended midnight mass at the local church. Christmas spirit, Christmas spirit, Christmas spirit. Helping those in need shows the true Christmas spirit.